So this guy is making above $60,000 from a single membership group which he created 4 months ago, and he is just 18 years old. So here is what he is doing. First you choose a niche people are interested in, and then you build a theme page on Instagram to post the content created using AI. After that, you create your first digital product to sell and make thousands of dollars every month. And this works for most of the countries around the world. And at the end of this video, I will also show you how he built the audience of 1 million people and which platform he is using to earn that much money. So if you are a teenager or a college student, this video will help you to build your own digital product business. Here is the quick back history of myself. I started my own dropshipping business back in 2018 and my first store generated over $1 million sale in less than a year. And at this time, I am also running multiple Amazon stores as well. And by the time I started creating content on this channel, I straight away created an ebook which explains the whole method of starting your own Shopify business. And I also started sharing this ebook with my audience as well. So this is where point number 1 comes, and which is to choose a niche. Now why it is important to select a niche? Because you have to solve a specific problem of specific audience. So in my case, as I told you earlier, I created an ebook regarding Shopify business. And in this way, I am going to solve a specific problem of people who are going to start Shopify dropshipping. Now choosing a niche is very important because in this way, you are going to tell the algorithm which is your key audience you are going to target. So these are the key points which will help you to select your own niche. First, you will have to check in which field you have your own experience. This kind of experience will help you to gain an upper hand on other people. So just keep in mind which questions people ask from you regarding your own experience. For example, if you are in fitness, just check what people are asking from you regarding fitness. Are they asking from you about different fitness techniques? And if you are going to address these questions in your content, you will get the targeted audience which will help you to monetize as well. This will also help you to grow your social media following very quickly. Now, as I give you an example of this guy, he started with motivation and discipline and started creating content in this niche to target the people in that kind of category. Now, in this way, you don't need to run any paid ads to promote your products because you are creating the content, you are solving the pin problems of different people, and these kind of people are engaging with you on your social media accounts. And this will also help you to build a brand authority in that specific niche as well. Because most of the time, algorithm will prefer your content in that niche on the top of the search engine if you are going to create content that is solving specific problem of different people. But make sure you are starting with a very new account. Follow the creators in your niche, try to like and comment on their videos so that algorithm can learn which is your specific niche. Once you have decided your niche and created your Instagram account, the very next step is to create the content for your audience. And for creating the content in your niche, you can even leverage the AI nowadays. Just go to ChatGPT and ask for different recommendation in your niche. But make sure you are putting the right prompts so that ChatGPT can give you detailed information. For example, if I ask ChatGPT to provide me some specific tips related to fitness, you can see ChatGPT has provided me with different tips and points to maintain the fitness. Now, using this type of specific output, you can leverage the AI to create the content for your niche. Now, in this way, algorithm will help you to boost your content in search engines and other specific places. And even after getting the information from ChatGPT, you can use different AI softwares to get the voiceovers. There are different softwares which you can use, but you have to make sure you are selecting a specific kind of voice which you are going to use for your content. This guy also used the AI to create all the content for his social media. And in only 1.5 years, he was able to grow his audience up to 1 million. But once you started creating content and you are gaining some momentum, make sure to create one free ebook as well. But this is our third step to create an ebook for our audience. And in that way, you will ask people to comment on your video. And in return, you will send the free ebook to their inbox. Because when most people are engaging with your post, it will help you to grow your social media account very quickly. You can also use different platforms to sell your ebook for free, and this will help you to collect the emails from your customers. And I will discuss that later in this video. So to create an ebook, you can use Canva, which is a free tool, and there are plenty of templates already available which you can use and customize to create your own ebook. Simply go to canva.com and search for ebook templates, and make sure to choose the template which has a lot of pages, because in this way you will be able to select different pages for your ebook. So for example, if I want to use this template, I will simply click on this template and then I will click on customize the template. I have already made a detailed video how you can create an ebook using Canva, and I will mention the link in description. Now let's say if I want to replace this specific image, I will simply click on the image and then I will delete it. After that, I will also able to upload my own image by going into the upload section on the left side. And in this section, you will be able to upload your own images or videos. Now after uploading the image, you can also resize the image, or if you want to change the color or edit the video or image, you can also do that as well. After that, you will also be able to edit the heading and text. So all the templates available on Canva are free to use, but there are some pro features as well, which you have to pay monthly to use those features. And on top of that, you can also use this section to change the color of your text and images. Then we also have the template section on top left side as well, which you can use to get the different images, graphics or emojis to use in your ebook. Now this is the ebook which I have created using Canva. You can see I have included all the detailed information about starting a Shopify business. I have also included different links of my YouTube channel as well. And then I have also uploaded different images, and I have also added different elements from the elements section as well. And make sure to include number of pages at the end of each page, and you can also include different affiliate links in your ebook as well. Now at the last page of your ebook, make sure to include your social media links, and you can also include a paid product which should be solving a bigger problem of your audience. Now once your ebook is completed, simply go on to the top right side and then select your file type. As we are creating the ebook, so our file type should be PDF. And then go into the download section to download your ebook. So our next step is to publish our ebook to sell online, so that we can collect emails and we can send weekly newsletter to our audience, which I will discuss later in this video. Now there are different platforms which you can use to publish your ebook. For example, Gumroad, Whoop and School. And I myself have been using Gumroad and Whoop, and I will give you a short intro of each platform. First, if I talk about Gumroad, you can simply go to the website gumroad.com and then sign up using your email address. Now after your sign up is complete, you can simply go to the settings section and then you can update your profile to add your country and address. And in this section, you can also connect your Stripe or PayPal account to get the payouts. You can also connect your custom domain as well by going into the domain section, but at this time it is not necessary because Gumroad will provide you a unique link of your store. Now once you open the Gumroad dashboard, here you can add the products. It can be a membership, it can be an ebook, or it can be any detailed product you want to sell to your audience. After you have added your product and once you have made few sales, Gumroad will be able to show your product to Gumroad Discover section as well. Gumroad also has a built-in email section as well, from where you can send emails to your customers on daily or weekly basis. And in this section, you will also be able to filter your audience to whom you want to send any specific emails. They also do have a collaborate feature as well, where you can collaborate with different creators. And if you want to create any specific product by collaborating with them, you can even share the percentage of that product. Now the second platform is Whoop, and they also do have a marketplace where customer can search your product or communities. You can see there are plenty of creators who have built their own communities. And here you will be able to find all kind of communities. And if your community has a lot of good reviews, then you will be also able to show your community on top of search pages as well. You can see they also have the best selling feature where they show the best selling communities in the past month. I have also mentioned the Whoop link in description. If you want to sign up, you can use that link. Now the third platform to build the communities is School, and they also do have a Discover section as well, same like Whoop and Gumroad. So this Gavazan is already using the School to build his community. And you can see he just started 4 months ago and he has already over 8,000 members, and only charging a small amount from every member makes him $60,000 each month. If you look into his Instagram account, you will be able to see what kind of content he is creating through AI. And this account, which has already over 1 million followers, he created 1.5 years ago. So he created unique content related to motivation and discipline comparing to his competitors. And he has built a unique theme for his Instagram page. So make sure once you are going to build your own Instagram account, you are creating something unique which your competitors are missing. And you can see a lot of his post has plenty of likes, and if you are getting that much engagement, your account will be able to rank quickly in the algorithm. And make sure you are posting consistently, at least 5 to 6 times a week. And in this way, you will be able to grow quickly. Make sure to include relevant hashtag in your post as well. So once your Instagram account is gaining some momentum, our next and last step is to monetize our audience. So as I told you earlier, the best way nowadays to monetize your audience is through community. But there are different things which should be included in your community. For example, chat, free resources, reviews, testimonials, and you will also have to answer different questions from your subscribers as well. The next way to monetize your audience is through email list. And in this way, you will be able to send weekly newsletter regarding your news, upcoming projects or products. And even you can also include different affiliate links in your newsletter as well. For example, I have been using Impact, which is a platform where creators can connect with different brands. And if I show you my own Impact account, you can see I have made few $100s by promoting different affiliate products. Last and best way to monetize your audience is through brand sponsorships, where brands will be able to get in touch with you to promote their products. Now, this is the most effective and major way to monetize your audience, but it also depends upon number of subscribers and your audience size. If you have the bigger audience size, you can even charge thousands of dollars for a single project. So by building a following on single social media platform and through creating one digital product, you have plenty of ways to make money online. So I hope this video has helped you in many ways to start your own digital product business. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel to get notified about upcoming videos. And these are the few videos on screen which will help you to start your own digital product business. And I will be back with another video soon.